Welcome PAIIP PTE and IELTS Institute Pakistan.
Learn idioms for personality with PAIIP. Cold fish meaning, someone who shows no emotion and seems unfriendly. He's such a cold fish that I've never seen him laugh.
Come on, man. Maybe this one will put out, unlike that cold fish Jessica.
Jessica's anything but a cold fish, all right?
Smart cookie meaning, a person who is clever and intelligent. Lisa is a smart cookie. She'd find a way to solve this problem.
We know that Newton was a really smart cookie.
Okay, I know what you're all thinking. Who is this smart little cookie? Her name is Brenda.
Big mouth meaning, someone who cannot keep a secret. She opened her big mouth and told everyone the whole story.
What's going on?
Hi, Nina. You're alive.
Of course I am. How do you guys find me?
Your boyfriend here has a big mouth.
I was worried about you.
I want to tell you something, Shelley. You have a big mouth.
What?
You've got a big mouth.
Your daughter can't talk back.
Wet blanket meaning, someone who spoils other people's enjoyment. You shouldn't invite him to the party. He's such a wet blanket.
Get it out of my house.
Fine. Come on, Jolene.
Fortunately, this time, I don't have to be the wet blanket.
I don't want to be that person.
You mean the wet blanket wife?
No, I mean the person you talk to about dumb things.
Never thought of that.
I'm not wild about these high-risk ventures. They sound a little risky.
Oh, Marge, you are such a wet blanket.
Dark horse meaning, someone who keeps their skills secret and surprises others by doing something unexpected. He's a dark horse for winning a gold medal in swimming.
Ethel Bieber's a bit of a dark horse, crotchety, but probably wise.
Kelvin over here is a dark horse of society.
He's not a dark horse.
You know, Sven goes to the Greek Orthodox Church. He's a dark horse.
I don't want to talk about him.
You're quite the dark horse.
What about Mr. Bell?
He was booked into a Spencer Street hotel with a lady friend for the evening.
He is a dark horse.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment.